If your Bitcoin is gathering dust, you're missing out. Let's convert it to Polkadot. First, you'll need to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, and Binance are user-friendly and handle everything for you. Prefer more control? Check out decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or Curve. Next, create an account on your chosen exchange. Register, verify your ID, and fund your account with Bitcoin. This can be done by transferring Bitcoin from another wallet or buying directly on the exchange. Now, it's time to trade. Find the BTC dot trading pair. Decide between a market order, which buys at the current price, or a limit order, which buys at your specified price. Execute the trade and voila! You've got Polkadot. Considering long-term storage? Withdraw your Polkadot to a personal wallet for extra security. Remember, always compare fees, prioritize security with strong passwords and 2FA, and be aware of market volatility.